Hello Last War fans, this is Random Take. Today is gonna be a special video as I'm gonna show you the Alliance Deul events. So I'm gonna show you how much point I can earn today. Today is the 4th day, so there is this event called Train Heroes. So the today's theme is to perform hero equipment, use EXP, hero shard, skill medal, so on. So guys, let's see how much point I can earn today. As you can see, I have like 0 points today altogether. I have 0 points, and to remind you, this video is for beginners. As you know, I'm only at quarter level 20. So let's see how much point I can earn today. So let's do it, guys. So let's upgrade. Okay, first of all, let's use this resources here. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this as well. So let's do it, guys. Let's upgrade Kimberly. 3, 4, 5. Let's upgrade her to level 90. Now let's do it. Okay, level 90 as well. Okay. That's it, guys. So another we have is using the tire. 1, 2. Okay. And how much we have? Let's see. Okay, we don't have much here.
We won't give an inch.
Anything fun to do around
Now let's use this, guys. Let's use the sword. I'm gonna
Back in my youth, I was quite the
shaking.
Oh my God,
Need to
boy.
use. Okay, not here, not here. Okay,
Time to make a
she got
big
one.
move.
Oh, she got many. Okay, and
I hope I can become a hero like you someday.
okay,
Did I miss anything?
let's use him. Okay, and let's
You wanna go
upgrade Kimberly, guys. I'm gonna upgrade Kimberly as this is the one of the strongest member. So I'm gonna use. Oh, I have look. I have the title, so let's upgrade that. This one here, physical damage to squad. Okay, let's do it. Let's open hero recruitment, guys. Let's open it. 10, 10, 10, 10. Come on, guys. Where is Kimberly? 10. Oh, I got new. Look here, guys. I got the new hero star, new hero DVA. This is nice. Okay. Okay. That's all the hero recruitment I used. I got the DVA.
You wanna grab a drink?
And let's see what else I got.
Carly still wants more fun.
Okay.
Carly still wants more fun.
I got one more.
Victory is guaranteed.
Marshall.
Please give instructions.
Okay.
Time to make a big move.
Okay.
Oh, I really wish I had a pirate boyfriend.
Okay.
A real man never sheds tears.
Loki has been upgraded to 2 stars.
See that? I made a mark.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Now, I'm gonna upgrade this Kimberly, but let's see what I can do
We
with her.
won't give
I don't
an
have much.
Anything fun to do around here? Explosion is an art.
Okay. Let's use the gear. Yeah. 16 Kimberly. Okay.
You wanna grab a drink?
Now we got her. 2, 3. I still need 2 bill, guys. 2 bill star to upgrade her to 3 star. That's sad. Let's see where I can buy these things. Okay, here I got 4. Maybe here I can get some. Okay, only one. Looks like. Oh, here I can get more. To get more, I think I have to complete this mission. Let's do this. Yeah, I gotta complete this mission, guys. So I can buy more of that sword. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, can buy 8 more from here. Okay, now let's see if I can
You
upgrade
wanna grab a
her.
drink?
Yeah. As you can see, guys, the Kimberly is now 3-star, and we can use the skill for her now. Okay.
Invaders are distant.
Other skill is not him.
Anything
Not him.
explosion
Not him.
With me around.
Not him.
Hide.
Anyone got boys? I will be
Not
back.
Ready to go.
Great. Time to make.
I don't need a hand. I was.
I don't. A real man
Okay.
never sheds tears.
Let's see.
See that?
Besides enemies, there are
Okay.
treasures in this world.
Okay, guys. Now let's use
Anyone
him.
got poison?
Let's upgrade her. Oh, she.
I will be by your
Maybe
side
her.
no matter where you lead.
Let's use some of hers.
Anyone got poison?
3. That's all.
With me
And
around.
let's
Victory is
see.
guaranteed.
I think that's all, guys. Yes, that's all, guys. As you can see, I got 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 million. 4.6 million points, guys. I'm at the second in my alliance. Wow. That's quite impressive, guys. So I got all these things. So, guys, you have to prepare yourself for this one. So don't use anything after, don't use anything, any swords, any exp. Just keep it, just bundle up and use at this event, so you can earn a huge point and could open many boxes. Okay, guys, thank you for today. Bye bye.